Whoa. Check it, set, here go some blues clues for you blues dudes. You take a shot in the dark and miss, you snooze lose. You take a walk in the park and pissy like dogs do. Dog on shit, we dogging them like leech to collar. We tucking you hollow, why bother? Yeah, when I'm the headless nigga with these words, yeah, I do it on the fly while dropping knowledge on some bird shit. But you know I ain't no bird shit. Just let it fall on your head and you might learn shit. Yeah, give me the mic, nigga. Maybe I'll kick some spit for my white niggas and drop some real shit from my real niggas. Some positivity so niggas ain't killing niggas. I got some real plans for the future. Seem like as soon as you fly high, somebody wanna shoot you down. Well, it's my time now, I'm gon' fly high above the clouds. Better kill me now, cause once I hit that zero stratus, I'm an addict for that latitude. If your approach is leverage, I'ma squash it on some flatitude. You come at me with phony shit, you leaving with an attitude. If I ever gave you time, you better show some fucking gratitude. But that's the latter, dude. Genuine people get that real, genuine love, man. That's how I'ma always do. Don't blame me for no fool. Mama ain't raised one, top of the class in my school. Can't tell me nothing.
Functions. Time is distorted, jumbled, telescoped, accordion, but